You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com. Tell me what's going on with the vertigo or headache or...
Usually it starts with pressure in my ear. It builds during the day, and by the afternoon, I'm lightheaded.
But around this time, yeah?
Around this time. I know one time it was the movement of my head caused me to start spinning.
We just did the maneuver that was not really causing symptoms.
So I can feel the pressure in my ear build, and it feels like, I don't know if it's a coincidence, then that's why I start to
build from afternoon or something like that, and increase
better in the mornings, more pressure and more
and build up throughout the day. Start to feel dizzy and nauseous after that. How long this been going on?
Probably since about January.
January, we are in August, so it's about 8 months.
But recently it's gotten worse.
What type of treatments you had for this?
I've gone to an ENT, gave me a nose spray, Astelin.
Okay.
Hasn't helped.
Okay.
And then I went to an ENT today, and I'm
A different one?
a series of tests done.
A series of tests, but you're not taking no other treatment you had.
Didn't give me anything. She told me to stop drinking caffeine and watch my salt.
Okay. Right now, how much lightheaded do you feel and the pressure you have from 0 to 10?
Actually, on a scale from 1 to 10, it's about a 4, maybe a 5.
Where do you feel it?
Not as much as it usually is.
Where do you feel the pressure?
I feel the pressure in my ear.
On your ear, okay?
Left ear. And
Lightheadedness. So what's going on with your sinus?
My sinuses are plugged because, I didn't take my nose sprays, which she told me not to take.
Yeah, okay. All right. How much pressure behind your eyes now? And
the pressure, it's funny,
or,
I wouldn't say it's really behind, I guess it's behind
or
my
behind your nose?
It's not putting pressure on my eyes. I'm
Okay.
just feeling the pressure.
Stiffness?
Mainly in my ear.
Your left ear more?
Yeah.
All right. So everything we do here should not aggravate your symptoms. Let me work on it, and then we'll see how you're doing.
Okay.
Okay. No headache now?
No.
Okay. All right. Let's lie on your back, head this way.
Head this way.
Yep. Relax. Is that too much?
No.
You feel the scar tissue here? So you had it since January, yeah?
About January.
Yes.
I've had a plugged ear off and on for 4 years.
Oh my goodness.
The vertigo started around January. It was not very often.
More frequent.
But even if I don't have it, I still have lightheadedness and the feeling like I might.
Sit up for me. I'll give you my water. And let's drink the water first. Lightheaded. What about the pressure and
Sinus pressure feels better. And the ear is not as plugged.
It was 8 when you came
I'm
here.
thinking it's around a 2 or 3. There's still some pressure, not like it was.
What do you think after treatment?
Sure does feel better. My sinuses, I feel a big improvement there. Pressure is not, it's not painful, just annoying.
Just annoying to have that
Annoying.
constant
Yes.
pressure. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, Verona, tell me what happened to your ear and how long this has been going on.
I've been having a fullness in my ear for at least since January.
January. We are in September, so
Yes.
it's 8-9 months.
8-9 months.
Okay.
It progressed to the point there was so much pressure in my eardrum that it would make me lightheaded as the day went on. and
Yeah,
I
so
get vertigo.
How you measure your pressure on your ears?
Right now,
No, before we start work on from
When-
0 to 10, 10 is severe pressure on your ear.
as the day would go on, it would get up to a 10.
10 out of 10.
Yes. Usually at that, I would start to spin.
Oh, you get like
Yeah.
vertigo after. What kind of treatment you had before ASTR treatment?
I was put on Astelin, which
Okay.
was a nasal spray,
Okay.
which did not help at all.
Oh, okay.
And that was pretty much it.
Okay. How many ASTR treatment and how you feel today?
Oh, this is my second one.
Second one
today.
for your ear. Yeah.
Yes, and I can't feel any fullness now.
It was 10 out of 10 now.
Yes.
How is the dizziness since we started working on it?
Lightheadedness, no dizziness. And for my first treatment on Friday, after that treatment, I didn't have lightheaded.
Beautiful.
Dizziness.
Beautiful.
Saturday or Sunday or today.
Nice, beautiful. Yeah. So, what do you think about the ASTR treatment?
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
I
awesome.
have lived with this, like you said, for
9 months.
and it really
Yeah.
does wear on you.
Yeah,
so
it's
nice.
interfere with your daily activities,
yeah.
concentration. Several times you skipped PT because you were dizzy.
But
Yeah.
lay down and get up. I was afraid I would spin.
Yeah, I'm glad you're doing better.
Thank you for doing
Thank
this.
you. Thank you. Great. You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.